duck disappeared in an instant. A few days later, an announcement was made in the village that the king had ordered every citizen to pay a special tax, or else they would be imprisoned. Ahmed had no money and was very worried. Then he remembered the magic duck. Looking up at the sky, he said, "Magic duck, help me." Immediately, a bright light appeared, and the duck was in front of Ahmed. The duck flapped its wings, and suddenly, Ahmed's bag was filled with gold coins. Ahmed thanked the duck and went to the king to pay his tax. Meanwhile, the king's daughter, Princess Zainab, had been cursed by an evil sorcerer, causing her to lose her ability to speak and laugh. The king announced, "Whoever cures my daughter will receive a great reward." Many doctors and sorcerers tried, but none was successful. Ahmed called the magic duck and explained everything. The duck said, "Ahmed, if you can make the princess laugh, the curse will be broken." Ahmed thought for a moment, then went to the royal court and began telling funny stories and jokes. At first, the princess remained silent, but then she suddenly burst into laughter. The moment she laughed, the curse broke, and she could speak again. The king was overjoyed.